Hey guys, this is Don with Rotation. I wanted to show you our 2012 custom Road King that we deemed our Evel bike. This started off as a 2012 Road King, 20,000 miles came in. It was actually in very good condition. The motor ran great. So we decided to go with our Dropkick Customs kit that we offer from them. And it's a cafe racer kit that comes with everything that you need to do to complete the kit. The kit includes the front fender, chin spoiler, also includes the headlight nacelle, all the miscellaneous hardware that it's going to need, also the custom side covers that you see here, also the custom rear end that you see, including the rear shocks. This kit from Dropkick is a complete bolt-on kit, so they make tons of great parts, direct bolt-on, very easy to do in your garage. We highly recommend. The paint on this bike was done by one of our local painters. We decided to go with the red, white, and blue themed bike. Everything that was done on the bike was custom painted, meaning there's no powder coat on this bike. Everything was anodized or painted. The seat on this bike, we went with the classic diamond stitching in the cafe style. Was done by one of our local upholsterers, Hank's Upholstery out of Melbourne, and he always does great custom work. The exhaust on this bike, we went with a Grafeo. They're handmade out of Texas, so they're American made. They sound great. They're still internally baffled, but we love the looks of them. We use them a lot of our custom builds, and we felt like it fit this bike perfect. Some of the small parts on this bike, we decided to go with the Arlen Ness brand. We love their parts, always fit first time we put them on. So on this bike, we used some of the mirrors, the grips, also the air cleaner as well. As far as the motor is concerned, we actually did a mild cam, did an entire engine run through, including new gaskets, did a fresh rebuild on it, just a mild performance still, so it's still street ready. On this bike, we decided to go with one of our rotation brand wheels, the Orion wheel. We actually started with chrome wheels and then had them custom painted in a candy red color to go with our paint theme of the bike. Also on the front wheel and the rear wheel, we went with the Galfer brake rotors. They're laser cut, they're made in Greece. Highly recommended rotor from us. We sell all their different brands. We're actually a distributor for them. So definitely check out our website for their different designs. They stop better than stock. They sound better than stock. They're definitely a rotor that we use on most of our builds in our shop. Hey guys, this is Don with Rotation. We specialize in custom wheels for Harley Davidson, sport bikes, and metric cruisers. So for any questions, check out our website, rotationwheels.com, or feel free to give us a call, 321 821 7777.